If I'm looking like this, you know I'm about to spill some tea. This one straight out of my teenage years. Now my parents are a little open-minded, bless them. Back then, not so much. Back in my village, all the girls were engaged by 18 or married by 20. And of course, that was supposed to be my destiny too. But here's where things get a little spicy. There was this one guy who liked me, my mom knew, and she approved. I was just grateful. Not because I liked him, oh no, but I could use him as an excuse to delay this whole marriage drama. Now this man, let's call him Mr. Taking His Sweet Time, was about 5 years older than me and kept saying he wouldn't marry until he was 30. And I loved that for him. And every time my mom brought a marriage or to initiate something, I'd go, oh, he's not ready yet. We can't force him. He's got his goals and plans. Let's respect that. Meanwhile, I was planning to get out of this place and figure out myself to finally reach at a financial state so I don't have to do this anymore. We used to talk here and there, but I was not invested whatsoever. Plot twist. Apparently, while this man was texting me occasionally and had slight interest, he was also scouting for other women to marry. And I had no idea. I was like, there is no way you'd be looking for anybody else when you have me. He even asked me to come meet him to check compatibility. Sir, no, not falling for that trap. One fine morning at 10 a.m. my phone buzzes and it's a message from him. No, good morning, how are you? Just an invite to his engagement, which was happening the same evening and not in the same city, in an entirely different state. I stared at my phone like, sir, do I own a private jet? How exactly do you expect me to show up? The invite wasn't even the problem. I was happy for him. The problem was he ruined my plan. See, if he had told me earlier, I could have prepared my mom, I could have done the whole dramatic thing. Oh my god, he broke my heart act. And now I have no time to strategize. The next call is my mother's and she's fuming. Did you know about this? She yells. And I'm like, no. She goes, your man is getting engaged today. I'm like, which one? I mean, I knew. Wait, oh god. I had no idea. He sent me the invite this morning. I am in shock too. My mom is angry. She's ready to call him and give a piece of her mind. And I'm like, no, Ammi, don't do that. Maybe it's God's way of saying he's not the one. Meanwhile, I'm just praying that she buys my performance. And she did. What a lover girl. She fell for it. The cutie, she was like, you poor thing. Are you okay? I'm so sorry. And then she goes, okay, you know what? I'm gonna start looking for someone amazing for you. I was like, girl, stop. And I go, Ammi, I can't move on that fast. I loved him so much. I'm heartbroken. I need time. I need to heal. Internally, I was like, let me continue living my life without you dragging me to meet random men. Guess what? It worked. For months after that, I milked that fake heartbreak. And every time my mom brought up marriage, Mama, I'm still healing. Let me focus on work now. And that, my friends, is how I turned a man's engagement into my ultimate get out of my marriage free card. What a legend.